Hi friends, welcome back. If you have a contact form in your website and you want to send that contact form data on your mail, then this video is helpful for you. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. So for that, search Web3 form in your browser. Click on very first link here. For that you have to get a access key by which all the data of your form will be sent to your email address. So for that you have to enter your email address on that website. So I will enter mine. Now I have received an email. Here you can see I got a public access key. So now let's go back to the website. Here place this input tag in your code. I have this code. I will place it here and place that in form tag. Here I have to place my access key, that is here. Simply copy and paste it here. Now all set. Let's try it is working or not. Try first name. Here you can see the form submitted successfully. Now let's check we have received an email with that data or not. So for that I will open my mail. Here you can see a new form has been submitted on your website. Details, turn to code. Here message is not available. Let's check what's the issue. I think issue is that this is text area, so we have to change it in our HTML form, in our input tag. So we will make it a input tag and it should be message all set. Now let's check it again. Submit. Form submitted successfully. We got another response. That is first name, last name, message. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.